shoes, one of our favorite things. So these are a super cute booty. Look at these, the pointed toe, the nice chunky heel. Look at the gold zipper. Oh, I love that. So this is gonna be easy to get the shoes on and off. And a nice easy zipper. Nicely packaged shoes, so they're not gonna come dented up and deformed, if you will. The inside are nice and squishy. Almost like a little memory foam in there at the bottom. Not a whole lot, but there's like memory foam in there. So they're gonna be nice and comfortable, I really think. So let's try these on and style them.